what I'm standing in, this mess, is going to eventually be my game room, workspace, and I'm kind of going to bring y'all along for that whole process. Today's vlog is probably going to be a bit of an IKEA run. I have everything I need in here for the setup. The only thing I don't have is a desk, because I got rid of the old one. It was kind of broken, busted up, and it didn't have enough room. So that's the main goal, is to get that set up, at least a bare bones desk, so that I can put my PC up, because I can't get on the PC right now. I've been working kind of out of a laptop, haven't been able to do much, and I got some things that I want to be able to do on the PC as well as gaming, because I've been out of the game now for a couple months. I'm ready to get back at it, so that's where we're headed now. Hope this little tripod works. News. They're out of stock for a few of the things that I was here for, so probably gonna pivot, pick up some other things. See the flat wall, I need the black. There it is. Alright, so we took an absolute massive L, and I didn't have anything that I needed. I was looking for the Meta gaming setup with the drawers and the desktop. They did not have the drawers in the one color that I needed, which was the dark color. They had all the other colorways. I didn't want none of them. The one that I was looking for, they did not have. So I'm going to wait on those, trying to order them online, and I'm going to hit another spot and look for the countertops. Yeah, all around that. We got a couple things, so it wasn't bad, but we got to hit a regain. Only way I know how to. And that's with a quick trip run before we move on and try and hit a couple other spots. Oh yeah, that's gonna do it every time. I think I forgot, get the hot chocolate one. Oh yeah, just gonna do it every time. I wanted the caramel one, but they was out of order in there, so hey, look, all I'm saying, if you got a Quick Trip in your town, and it's one of those that got the nitro machines on tap.
One day later.
We're winging it. So here's what I mean by ultra budget IKEA setup. So I got the Alex drawers, but these are the Alex, like, it's technically a drawer, but it's a cabinet. So these are the ones that open. It's just one big door and it has shelves inside. These are the only ones they had available. All the Alex drawer versions, every drawer version was sold out. Drawers, then the one with the big drawer on the bottom, all those were sold out. But I needed a setup, so I pivoted. These are also $50 cheaper than the drawer units themselves. They're also having a sale on them. So functionally, it may be a little bit of a hinge just because there's not drawers in every single one. But if you're gonna save yourself $50 for each, totaling $100 saved on each one of the drawer units that are put in, if you can figure a way to manage storage within them, I think this is useful. So I went with this, and then I went with the light veneer covered tabletop instead of the Calby, I think it's what it's called, the dark wood that you see in a lot of stuff. It's what I originally wanted, but this one, much like these, is cheaper than that one. It's over $100 cheaper to get this stain. And to be honest with you, you can sand this down and restain it yourself the darker color if you wanted to. I might do that depending on how this looks in the setup, but that's what I went to. So overall, I probably saved about $200 just on this part of the setup here. And then I went ahead and got a leg for the support unit underneath because I'm gonna have multiple monitors. So we're gonna put this together and we're gonna see how it looks.